Hola, welcome to FANFA Spanish Materials. This video is going to be very, very short, but it's handy. We're going to learn some verbs we used to talk about when things work. Yeah. And we are talking about when not when things like machines or devices, gadgets work. So I've heard a lot people, English speakers, saying el televisor trabaja, like the TV works, or el carro trabaja, the car works. But we don't use the verb trabajar when we're saying that the things work, right? Trabajar is just when people work. It's a job. So when things work, when they are working, we are going to use these three expressions. The first one is sirve. Um, Esa lavadora no sirve. It's like that washing machine doesn't work. So sirve is one verb we use to say it works. Funciona means also to work, like it functions kind of thing. So el coche no funciona. Yeah. Here is negative, but you can also say el coche funciona. Esa lavadora sirve. Yeah. And the last one is va. Some people also say va. Mi licuadora no va más. It's like it doesn't work any longer. Mi licuadora, this is the blender. Mi licuadora no va más. My blender doesn't work anymore. So that's it. Remember, don't use the verb trabajar when you are trying to say that a device works. You have to use these three verbs here. Yeah. Um, very that like it's very common to use sirve, funciona, va sometimes also works. Okay. Va a veces funciona. Yeah. So that will be it. It's just pretty much these three verbs to talk about this. Let's talk about when things break. So, se rompió. The material breaks and you can see it. There is like a crack. Yeah. So, when, for example, the electronic devices, they don't work any longer. They don't work, but that doesn't mean they have a crack on it. So when you say se rompió, is when you see that there is a crack. So let's see this example. Se rompió la cuerda de la guitarra. Like la cuerda means the string, the guitar string broke, and is reflexive. Yeah, romperse. Algo se rompe. So, se rompió la cuerda de la guitarra o la cuerda de la guitarra se rompió. You can also put it here. It means the string, the guitar string broke. Now, as we were saying, if it's not a crack, if it didn't break, that you can see the crack, or it broke into pieces. If it's a gadget, an electronic gadget that doesn't work any longer, you can use se dañó. Yeah, you're gonna hear this a lot. The device doesn't work with no broken material, so you can say se dañó la batería. So the battery like doesn't work any longer. The battery like is broken. So se dañó. Um, so remember, se rompió. You can see the material breaks. Se dañó. You see that it doesn't work, but with no broken material. Also, we can use se estropeó. And se estropeó also reflexive. They are all reflexives, the three of them. It means the device doesn't work with no broken material. Again, it's like very similar to se dañó, se estropeó. Mi reloj se estropeó. So here you have three examples how to say like a device is not working. Yeah. Also, you can use está roto. Yeah, it's broken. Está dañado. It's also broken, but with no broken material. Just it doesn't work. Or está estropeado. Like it means it doesn't work with no broken material. So yeah, that's how you say things don't work, and also things work. I hope you use this a lot. If you have to deal with devices, we all have to deal with phones, computers, TVs, So this is going to help you say these kind of things. And that will be it. How to practice it? Well, just use these expressions to talk about things when they work and when they don't work and when they're broken. That will be it. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Hasta luego.